Hello guys, welcome back to Monet Loves Glam. I hope that you all are having a beautiful day. In this video, I am going to show you how I made my version of Jamaican curry chicken. So if you're interested in my recipe, then just keep on watching. First, I'm getting started with some freshly washed and cut. I am using chicken thighs and chicken legs. I am just putting some olive oil on there, and then I have chopped up some white onion, some green onion, and some garlic. So I am just gonna go ahead and add all of the chopped vegetables right on top of that chicken. And I cut my thighs and I also cut my legs so they're in smaller, kind of like bite-sized pieces, I would say. And as you can see, I have started filming this video at nighttime because I'm actually going to go ahead and get all the seasons in here. So I'm starting with my thyme leaves, and I am just going to sprinkle that on. I would probably say I used about maybe 1.5 tablespoons. And next I am using some flavor enhancer. Then I'm going in with some, it's just called Total Seasoning Chicken and Fish. And it's just a really good seasoning that has different flavors already all mixed in. So I'm going to give that a generous amount. And as I was mentioning earlier, you can see that it's nighttime out. I am going to marinate this mixture overnight. So there you see me mixing everything up, getting everything nice and combined. Now it is time for the curry powder. So I went to one of the stores that's kind of like Whole Foods or Trader Joe's, where you can buy your seasonings in bulk. I felt that this was a very inexpensive route because you can actually control how much you need. So as you guys saw, this packet of curry was only about 79 cents. So I like to go and get the bulk seasonings like this when I'm making something specific. So I have put my curry in there, and I am just going to go ahead and mix this around and try to get all of my pieces of chicken coated with that curry powder. Guys, leave me a comment in the comment section of some foods that you are cooking or did cook during the quarantine. I really had a taste for some curry chicken, so I decided to go ahead and make some. So guys, as you can see, it is the next day. I am just going ahead and adding some oil into this pot. I know a lot of videos I watched that it is best to use a Dutch oven. Unfortunately, I do not own a Dutch oven, but I do have this wonderful pot skillet. It's kind of like a catch-all type cooking container. Shout out to my aunt that bought this for me because she know I loves to cook. So I'm just adding some of that white onion, green onion, and garlic that was on my marinade into that oil. And I am just going to go ahead and let that fry. Guys, be really careful. As you can see, there was a lot of oil popping. Now I'm just going to go ahead and add some more of that curry powder into that mixture. And I am going to cook this down. A lot of the videos that I saw of authentic Jamaicans making this recipe said that they were burning the curry or burning the curry. So I am just going ahead and putting that curry in there and cooking it. So the goal of this is to cook it because you don't want that really strong curry flavor if you don't cook it down well. So So I have just sauteed that curry powder in there, and I would say I probably cooked it for about 4 to 5 minutes. You want to have your heat on a medium low so you don't actually burn it. Now I am just going in and adding my pieces of chicken. And guys, I don't know if you all noticed, when I marinate this chicken, I actually sliced the chicken with a knife, and that's just to make sure the flavor gets through the chicken. So here I am just adding all my pieces of chicken into the pot. This is a very important step because when you do this, you want to make sure that your skin on your meat gets a little crispy. You don't want any soggy skin. So you want to go ahead and get that going to a nice crisp. So the heat, I have it on pretty high, just so I can go ahead and get a nice crust going on my skin of my meat. So the chicken has been sauteing, and as you can see, it has created a lot of its own juices. So you just want to go ahead and continue to mix that up. And that's, as you can see right there, guys, where I flipped that piece, I just wanted to show you that you do want to get that crisp on your chicken. So I am just going to go ahead and flip my chicken and mix everything up. I went ahead and added some more of those vegetables that I had left over. So just adding those back in and cooking this down. Now I'm going to turn my heat down. I'm going to add a lid, and I am just going to let this simmer until my chicken is pretty much well cooked. So guys, this is what it will look like pretty much when your chicken comes to a good boil. The chicken is just about done here, but I just wanted to show you what it looks like. Just giving it a good stir. And as you can see, the nice curry gravy that the chicken created. So I took it a step further, and I went ahead and diced up a russet potato. I had some baby carrots that I went ahead and sliced, and I threw that in there. And I am just going to let this cook a little longer, just until the potatoes and carrots are tender, but not cooked all the way, because you don't want it to be too mushy. You still want to have a nice consistency to those potatoes and carrot. And there I am, just showing you that awesome curry gravy. So at the end, guys, your curry chicken should look something like this. I went ahead and made me some rice and peas, some fried plantains, and a nice green salad. So this is what everything looks like, y'all. This meal turned out so delicious. I hope that you try it. I hope that it turns out great for you also, and I hope that this video gave you some inspiration. Please don't forget to like, subscribe, and share this video with all your family and friends. I'll see you next time. Bye.